how to use Instagram broadcast channels. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. This tutorial will show you how you can use Instagram broadcast channels. So you can use Instagram broadcast channels in two ways. You can use Instagram broadcast channels by creating an Instagram broadcast channel or by joining an Instagram broadcast channel. So how do you create an Instagram broadcast channel? First of all, you must note that not everyone is eligible yet to create an Instagram broadcast channel. If you are eligible, all you need to do is go to the top right corner of your screen and click on your inbox icon. And then once you're brought to your inbox page, you will see all of your chats here as well as suggestions and accounts that you should follow. Once you can see this, go to the top right corner again where you can see some icons which includes the compose icon and all of that. Ensure you click on the compose icon. And here on this page, if you're eligible, under create group chat, you see the option create channel, create broadcast channel. So just click on it and then we take it to the next page where you'll be asked to enter a name for your channel. You'll be asked to choose your desired audience and then you can now send your first message to your followers. But for me, I am not eligible. That is why it's only showing the option for me to create a group chat. So note that. And once you can do that, you'll be able to create a channel and then you can send broadcast messages. So then you can also join Instagram broadcast channel. All right. Before you can join a creator's broadcast channel, you have to make sure that you follow them. Once you follow them, you can access their broadcast channels in two ways. And when a creator sends their first channel message, all followers would receive a DM notification with a prompt to join. So you can just click on the prompt and then you can join the broadcast channel easily. So that is it. So ensure you try this out. Thank you for watching and have a good day.